Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time to check out a couple of more value stock picks with Tracy Reinick, our value stock strategist here at Zacks.com. Boy, you brought a couple of interesting ones. You're back into the energy exploration scene, huh? With W&T Offshore Inc., WTI, the ticker symbol.
Yep, it's been a while since I've done one of these smaller explorers. So you know me, I have to get back in the action here. And that is why I did it, actually. W&T is a big deep water driller in the Gulf of Mexico, which has obviously been in the news recently.
Yeah.
They have about 75 fields, so they're very active in the community down there. And the deep water moratorium was lifted in October, so that doesn't seem to be affecting them very much now. The interesting thing about them is that they've really come out of the bad scene for the explorers last year, which is why I haven't covered any in a while. They really have started to beat the earnings estimates. This last quarter they beat by 30 cents and really blew by what the Zacks consensus was. You can see from the estimates that they're really starting to jump here for 2010 and 2011. They actually took a loss of $1.09 in 2009, so anything is better than that, but they're expecting to make well over $1 this quarter, or this year. Next year the analysts are a little bit more cautious because a lot will depend on what's happening with crude prices and natural gas prices. But those have been, jumping recently, which is also why you can see this big surge in the stock here, because it's going to tend to trend where crude prices are going. And also W&T just recently announced that they're going to acquire 3 deepwater fields from Shell. So this is going to give them a bigger entry point as well going forward with higher production. So things sound better for the explorers. It's a Zacks number 2 right now. And it's trading not super expensive, a little over 12 times. But, I like these explorer play as long as crude is going up.
All right. NSIT Enterprises is another company that you've written about recently, NSIT, the ticker symbol. They provide, IT hardware, software, and services to small businesses?
Yes, small and medium-sized businesses and then the government. They're kind of a interesting barometer of what's going on in the economy out there, because as things improve, their business should be improving based on sales to these smaller companies. And that is what we're seeing. They've really seen a big uptick in sales in the last couple quarters. And so far, they're not seeing any kind of slowdown in demand from their customers. They're big in North America, and this last quarter, they saw a 27% increase in sales in North America. So this is all positive for the global growth story, and especially here, we've seen the growth in Europe and in Asia, but they're seeing it all here in North America with these smaller companies. It's a good sign. The estimates are rising, as you can see. They did give guidance for the fourth quarter of 38 cents to 43 cents, and the analysts are already at 43, so they're already at the high end of the range. They don't see any demand slowing in the fourth quarter, and things are looking good going into 2011 for them. And then the chart, they saw the big boost off of the lows in March of 2009, and then they've been kind of trading in this narrow trading range. But the stock is cheap; it's trading a little bit under 9 times, so you're getting a lot of value with this one. And then, like I said, they are kind of the barometer for where the economy is going.
All right. Do you own either of them?
I do not.
Check out more Zacks Rank by Stock Pick ideas at our homepage, Zacks.com. Upper right-hand corner is where we put 4 new ideas for you daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about at Zacks.com, and Tracy's, the value categories included. With Tracy Reinick, I'm Terry Ruffalo.